Tired of snail mail and checks? Let's zap your money where it needs to go with a wire transfer from Huntington Bank, all from the comfort of your couch. First, fire up your computer and head to Huntington.com. Log into your online banking account using your user ID and password. If you haven't already enrolled in online banking, you'll need to do that first. Once you're logged in, look for the Payments and Transfers tab, typically located at the top of the page. Click on that, and a drop-down menu should appear now. Find and select Wire Transfers from the options. Now, you'll be on the wire transfer initiation page first. You'll likely see a disclaimer about wire transfer fees and security. Take a moment to read through it carefully. Next up is entering the recipient's information. You'll need their full name, address, bank name, and crucially, their bank account number for international transfers. You will also need SWIFT, BIC code, double, triple check these details. Once you've entered all the necessary information, carefully review everything. Make sure the recipient's details, the amount, and the currency are all correct. This is your last chance to catch any errors. Now, for security, Huntington Bank will likely require you to verify the transaction using a secure access code, usually sent to your registered phone number or email. Enter that code when prompted. After you've entered the code, you should see a confirmation screen with all the details of your wire transfer and a confirmation number. Save this confirmation number for your records. And that's it. You've successfully completed a wire transfer through Huntington Bank online. Now you can relax knowing your money is on its way.